To get a Shopify access token, you need to follow a series of steps that involve creating a Shopify partner account, setting up a Shopify app, and then installing the app in your Shopify store. First, create a Shopify partner account by going to the Shopify partner dashboard and clicking on the Get Started button. Fill out the registration form with your email address, password, and other required information. After creating your partner account, create a new Shopify app by clicking on the Apps tab and then clicking on the Create App button. Give your app a name and select the app type as public. Next, go to the App Setup page and click on the API Credentials tab. Here you will find the API key and API secret key that you will use to authenticate your app. Now, to get the access token, you need to redirect the merchant to the Shopify authorization URL. This URL includes the client ID, redirect URI, and scope of the access token. The merchant will be prompted to authorize your app, and once they do, Shopify will redirect them back to your redirect URI with an authorization code. You can then exchange this authorization code for an access token by sending a POST request to the Shopify Access Token endpoint. This request should include the client ID, client secret, code, and redirect URI. Shopify will then respond with an access token that you can use to make API requests on behalf of the merchant. It is essential to handle the access token securely and never expose it to unauthorized parties. You should also ensure that you are complying with all applicable laws and regulations when handling access tokens. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully obtain a Shopify access token and start building your Shopify app.